Hey guys, it's Carson. I grew up in south central Utah surrounded by the Monroe and Pavant mountain ranges. Spending time in these mountains gave me a passion for the resources and opportunities they provide. I started my academic career in my hometown of Richfield, Utah, where I earned an associate degree from Snow College. I quickly realized if I wanted to pursue a bachelor's degree in natural resources, Utah State University was the place to be. One thing that made the process easier was a Native American student scholarship. The scholarship makes attending college more accessible, covering tuition and student body fees for students from federally recognized tribes in and around Utah. At Utah State, you don't have to wait until graduate school for research opportunities. As an undergrad, I get to work hands-on with faculty experts in my program doing field work like tagging mule deer, examining elk deer collars, and identifying any strange movements they made during the season. When I leave Utah State, I'll have a degree backed by real experience. I also had a summer internship at the Texas Natural Resource Conservation Service. I worked with ranches and farmers using the knowledge I've gained from my coursework. After graduation, I plan to continue my education and attain a master's degree. I hope to work with the federal or state agencies like the Bureau of Land Management, the Forest Service, or the Utah Division of Wildlife Resources. While the academic side at Utah State is a big part of the college experience, I've also gotten to experience many other aspects of college life. Utah State offers over 100 student clubs based on majors and hobbies. And if you don't see one that interests you, you can even start your own. One of my favorite clubs is the Range Club, where we compete with other colleges at the state and national level, testing our skills and knowledge of plant identification and general range practices. I'm also vice president of the Native American Student Council, where I get to hang out, make new friends, and celebrate my culture. It's a time to distress, check in with others, and share experiences. For nearly 50 years, Utah State has hosted annual powwows, which are vibrant gatherings celebrating Native American culture through dance, music, and shared traditions. I was honored to have the chance to help at this year's powwow. There are so many ways to get involved at Utah State. Through my programs, clubs, and organizations, I've made lifelong friends and found a strong sense of community that goes beyond just the classroom.